Pause, du warst nicht hier. Jetzt ist alles einsam, es ist alles leer. Wo sind die anderen, wo bist du? Es ist alles einsam, es ist alles leer.
Oh, hitting this rainbow trail, probably gonna die. Some single track out here near Salida. I'm on a lot of Dayquil. I definitely have some type of pneumonia or something. It's awful. I'm gonna try to take it easy today. But I'm afraid my friend Tommy here, my BFL, is going to try to kill me. We'll see. I'm already gripping the bars like tighter than I normally would. Hate you, NyQuil. Not very often I get to ride with adults, especially one that could totally smoke me at any time. Luckily he's taking it easy, I think, on me. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I know. I'm already like, ah! Get some. Poor line choice back there, or lack of a line choice. It's like, I don't know which way I want to go. Man, this is so pretty through here. These rocks are a little rough. I want to stand up, but I got arm pumps so bad already. Okay. Holy shit.
Well, that's unexpected.
Oh my god.
I wonder what the different sections, you know, brought in a different trailhead,
Stupid arms.
Yeah.
I just want to stand up. I'm like, my arms are so tired already.
I'm thinking, man, we got to come back for all this.
At least it's all downhill.
Oh, that's a workout. 2.5 miles.
Doesn't feel like we're going that fast, but when we have the kids, I'm like never tired.
Average speed, 12 miles an hour so far.
Not too shabby.
No.
Yeah. Oh God. Oh my God, dude. Oh, I think it's the Dayquil that's fucking me up. A little bit.
Could also be the trail.
Could be.
Ich kam nach Hause und du warst nicht hier.